Multiply 3250 by 15 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 16. The first partial product is 16,250. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. The second partial product is 32,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 5 is 7. In the thousands column, 6 plus 2 is 8. In the 10 negative thousands column, 1 plus 3 is 4. The whole negative number product is 48,750. So 3,250 times 15 is 48,750.